This conference will now be recorded.
All right, yes, so finally the recording is started. Thanks for waiting, everybody. There is a small update in the meeting version. Now the session is getting recorded, and everybody, yes, settle down. And yes, now we was working on the the definition part followed by assignment part, and by our yesterday's session we have completed the assignment part. Now, if anything is missed out, that is, when you're assigning, think you made something mistake or you missed out some assignment, how to figure it out? You need to understand this today first. And if you want to see the complete hierarchy, how to see? So let me get into the SAP screen. So this is the hierarchy what we was seeing. Now let me go back to the SAP screen. So go back to the IMG screen, SPRO, and SAP reference IMG here. Enterprise structure we talk about. First we defined all, then we assigned all. Now here you'll see consistency. Okay. Yeah. So we have something called consistency check and check enterprise structure for sales and distribution. This comes under consistency check. Okay. Now here when you click on consistency check here, it is a specific step exclusively for sales and distribution check enterprise structure for sales and distribution. Click on the IMG activity here. So here you'll see what to be checked under sales organization, what to be checked under distribution, what to be checked under division, what to be checked under office, what to be checked plant level, what to be checked. It is giving all the index here, right? Now if you click on this icon, all will be unchecked. If we click on this icon, all will be checked. Let all be checked and click on execute here. Now here, see, this is a public system. You are seeing so many structures here. In the live server, you will see those which you set for the company, not all. All right. So here you cross check, is it showing anything relevant to our module, that is what we made, Zara. So is it showing anything relevant to Zara here? Is any missing area of Zara? That is our sales, our division of Zara. It is showing anything missing? No. Our say distribution of Zara. Is it showing anything missing? No. Our sales organization Zara. Is it showing anything missing? No. Everything what we made is correctly connected. So nothing is messed up. Nothing is messed up. So what happened if I miss anything? Yes, I'll tell you that. For example, here, no divisions are allocated to ZDOM. Think it is ours. That is, to the sales organization ZDOM, no divisions was maintained. That's the reason it is showing here. Now what I'll do, ZDOM, remember this. It is not ours. I will just solve that missing information for ZDOM. That is assigned division, new entries, ZDOM, and here I give 01. Okay, just for your reference purpose. Saved. How the impact will be? Now if I go back to the consistency check, execute, can you see here? No distribution channels was allowed to ZDOM. It was showing division also. Now I fixed up division. It is no more showing division. So what I'll do, again I'll go back. It is somebody's made, some among you. Why I'll disturb somebody's structure? So I'll just replace the situation as it is. So Z O M S, I'm sorry, Z D O M. I will remove that assignment since I should not touch others. That's the intention. Now since it is not been assigned, it will show as it is in this list of not connected to anything. No divisions are allotted to the sales operation. So that's how you can figure out when any relation is missed out. It will show in this list. You can check, oh, this I missed out. Go and fix up that relation. It will no more show in this list. That's the point of clarity. Clear, everybody? So understand the effect of every relation. So during the live project, there will be so many to be connected. So there is a bright chance of you missing something. So this is like a checklist where you can cross check of what you made, kind of. After you fix up, how it responds, you understood. If it is not fixed up, how it responds, you are understood. Right? Done. So that is the concept of consistency check, to check the content of what we assign and to troubleshoot how it need to respondable. All right, everybody. So that's all about the flow of understanding about the business process. Done. Now moving forward, you all need to understand if need to be checked the hierarchy, how. If you need to check the hierarchy, how. So hierarchy is all about the flow of the structure what we made. Hierarchy is all about the flow of the structure what I made. Right? That means I want to see this hierarchy in the SAP system. See, on the whiteboard, what I am written, how the client wants the structure of his companies to be organized in SAP system. He was telling and I was writing. Okay, like a business requirement document, business blueprint document with all the relations I mapped on the board. Following this, we have been done in the system. Now I want to see the same structure in the SAP system. How? So from the SAP Easy Access, the main screen here, you give the T code EC01. EC01 is a T code which got to be given here. EC01 is a T code, transaction code, enter. What you want to see? Structure. So click on structure. Click on navigation, the next. Click on navigation, the next. Say yes to the message, whatever is saying. Continue. Now here it is showing all the company codes which are there in the database of SAP. So here either you scroll down and find Zara or you click on this find a bifocal lens ZARA, enter. Double click, it plays on the top. Double click again. Now first point, I minimize all. What we started Zara as our project client setup in SAP system. So focusing the SD module, but along with some areas of finance, production planning, inventory, and warehousing we have been. So company is all about accounting point of view. Company and company code will be triggered here. Plant connects the production and inventory and the warehouse, and sales connect all SD module related. So complete logistics infra with financial base company identity and the financial body identity, right? So watch me carefully, you will see few things repeated double time. Don't get confused, I will tell why it is repeating double time. Just watch me. Under company, wherever you see plus mark, just keep clicking on it, that is you're expanding. So under company, what you assign? Company code. Just down to this we have plant. Under plant, what you assign? Storage locations. Storage location is connected to warehouse. So in enterprise structure, we have seen, right? What I told, storage location, we don't have specific assignment, I said, right? Why? Because the creation of storage location was happened within the plant. So there is no specific assignment I told yesterday, and I told you will see lively in the screen also. This is what. So we made an assignment, plant, storage, and warehouse. So the stock which is coming to this warehouse, reference of this storage, manufacture of this plant. So for this legal entity, this financial infrastructure, and for this production unit, the financial infrastructure. So company code comes multiple times, because if you see, you see a finance manager interacting with the head of finance department. You see production manager interacting with head of the financial operations of the company. You see sales guy interacting with head of sales operations of the company. I mean, head of finance operations of the company. So every department interacts with finance. So company code is the identification of the financial infrastructure. For this financial infrastructure, this plant. For this financial infrastructure, the sales location, the outlets. For this financial infrastructure, the transportation point. So company code responds multiple times, so don't get confused. Now I explore this again. Plant is here, again plant is here. So this plant got this storage location, this warehouse connectivity. Why plant is coming on a distributed channel? To this outlet, this plant will store the stock. And if I click over here again, sales area, sales office. Sales area is a part of sales org distribution division. And these all sales areas are managed by these people, controlled by this office. And this transportation point store the stock from this plant to storage to warehouse to distributors. So it has all long way relation expand. And again down you see sales organization. Again if you click on, again under the sales organization, we have three distributors: direct, offline, online. Three divisions, individual presentation. Three divisions, that is accessories, clothing and general. And again they are managed by this financial body. Again if you explore individually, again you'll see each got three sales areas, each got three sales areas, each got three sales areas. That is, if I operate through this direct, this accessories is operable through direct, offline, online. Clothing is accessible through direct, offline, online. General is also accessible through direct, offline, online in this financial bodies operations. So you'll see a big hierarchy multiple times repeated because it got it roles at multiple situations. So don't get confused. Three employees working. So here complete hierarchy. Here independent sales point of view hierarchy. So wherever you find plus, again you click on. He worked for this office. Again you click on. He also worked for this office. Again you click on. He also worked for this office. Again you click over here. Again it shows this sales area is operated by this office. Again you click over here. Office. Independent showing, list showing, independent showing, list showing, independent showing, list showing. Right? In the front end, think about a switchboard in your home. In the front end, four switches you will find, five switches you will find. One switch light, one switch fan, one switch AC, one switch something else. But when you open the switchboard in the back end, there are so many wires interrelated. One is neutral, one is incoming, one is outgoing, one is 16 amps, one is 20 amps, etc. etc. Think about your car. Just you give an ignition, it starts. But back end, lot of functionality. Engine got its performance, battery got its performance, gearbox got its performance, electrical cabling, wiring got its performance, condenser got its performance, coils got its performance, bearings got its performance, gear shafts got its performance when all put together. When you start understanding the technology on the board, you'll see like a world map. Same you're seeing here. So expression, this office control this many. So individually all to be assigned. That's what we made. Individually all should be referred here. So don't get confused by seeing this many expressions. Every expression is a presentation of a relation. So what all you assigned, it is showing all in practicality in presence over here. One by one, in group, in lot, in single. Right? By doing three or four, it is showing this big hierarchy. Think in a company. How many will be there? It will be not less than 1 kilometer. So all relation expression, this storage location, one. So this plan got one storage location and it's connected to warehouse. This plan got second storage location, it connected to warehouse. This plan got third storage location, it connected to warehouse. That's what we made, right? Other day. And this company code got this plant connectivity. This distributor got this plant connected, and this sales area is managed by this office. Again, this office is managed this sales area again, because we got totally how many sales areas we made? Around 9 sales areas. So 9 times the office expression here. Again, the plant is coming for distributor 2 relation. Again, it got its sales areas. Again, plant is coming for distributor 3 sales area. Again, it got the office. Again, it got the people. So when you see this chart, don't get confused. Every relation what we did, how many relations we done, that many times it is coming. When you click on this, all will get minimized. It is you are minimizing the chart. It is like a closing. You opened the book, you understood, you are closing the book and packing it. That's all. All right. So when you refer this hierarchy, what you made for yourself, still you can understand better. Okay. I'm exploring my made hierarchy and I understood what I am, I understood what I thought, and you are also understanding up to that certain level. What we made, you can see it. When you explore your made things, will be much more clear for yourself. So that's all about your hierarchy in the SAP system practically. Done. So what we started to begin with, we are concluded by now. So we defined, we assigned, we cross-checked, right? And we have seen how to figure out if anything missed out, to check, to refix it up and check. Done. Let me take a fresh page. Now, our next concept is all about customer in SAP. For our client, layout, which they use to create a customer in SAP. So what we are doing now, you all are going to understand how to set up the layout in SAP for creation of customer. Now I'll ask a few simple questions. Everybody please try to respond. So for a minute, let us forget about SAP. Let us talk generally. So I usually take an example of Amazon. I'm not promoting Amazon. If I take example of Amazon, because everybody own an Amazon account now, because these days everybody is shopping online. Even a guy who lives in very remote place also he is shopping online now. Online is more now. People almost, I say, most of the people forgot how to go into the showrooms. Everything is made digitalized now. Even we talk about SAP web, that is cloud, that is online everything. Fine. So my questions are very simple. When you want to create an account in Amazon, what details you give? Yes, just speak out. Anybody? You want to create an
Yeah,
account? What details you give first? Go on. Somebody
email
saying
sir,
something.
email sir.
Okay, email. That is, you are
Phone
creating
number.
a customer ID with reference to email or contact number, etc.
And yes,
Next,
a
Password.
personal detail,
your personal info. Okay, next.
a delivery address,
Very good. Next. mode of billing details, and payment details, right?
Yes.
So these details you give when you're creating your Amazon account, right? Now let me frame these details. Let us talk about in SAP now. So in SAP, when you want to create a customer, this customer ID role is all about in SAP we'll say as sold party. This delivery address we say in SAP as shipped party. Billing details in SAP we say as billed party. Payment details in SAP we say as payer. So how about this personal information? It is nothing but address which you give while creating sold party. Address here, address here, and at every stage the address is maintained because payer is address, bill to is address, ship to is address, sold to is address. All can be same or different. So when I say different, conditions apply here. In what scenario all can be different. So why I've taken Amazon? See, when you are creating an Amazon account, everything is linked up to your customer ID, right? See, when you place an order, log into your customer ID into Amazon, you log in and you place an order, right? So, do Amazon is calling you for shipping address? Do Amazon is calling you for mono billing? Do Amazon is calling you for payment? No, right? Amazon is collecting your personal information from your customer ID, where to be delivered from your customer ID, where to build up from your customer ID, what is your payment done or to be done from your payment details. So this defaults of all is expression of relationship. Sold party has a shipped party, sold party has a billed party, sold party has a payer. So I need to express through relation. So first step is all about layout. 4 layouts to be configured. Second step is all about relationships. Declaration of relation. This is the second step. And one more step. Okay, when you want to open a bank account, how the banker identifies you? When you're operating your bank account, how the banker identifies you?
The customer ID only.
Other card your
No, no, no. You when you got to
Mobile
open your
number.
bank, that's all fine. See, I'm not asking how you open your account. A banker,
Customer ID only.
yes, your account number.
Yeah.
Account number is nothing but your customer ID. In other words, so you deposit the money with reference to your account number, you withdraw your money with reference to your account number, you give a check to somebody with reference to your account number, you do online transfer or NIFT or anything with reference to account number, everything. In SAP, identification of a customer is by a number. So I should set up the number ranges in the system. So three-stage configuration. Layouts, how many? Four. Sold to party, shipped to party, billed to party, payer. Number ranges, manual setup or automation setup. You should understand both. Automation is regular, but manual also works now. How? I'll tell you. So when you go for number grouping, it may be automation, but manual again, the latest update. You'll see both. And the setup of relationship, partner processing, partner determination, everything is same. That is, older party has the ship to, has a bill to, has a pair declaration to be. So we make the 4 layouts. For 4 layouts, the numbering is, and 4 layouts, the relationship declaration. Right. So you need to understand the subject among these all stages. So what I'm done now, I just written the scenario on the board. So think like Amazon now, Zara company is interacting with SAP. They say in their database of SAP system, they want a layout which allows to create a customer, and customer details are identified in 4 stages. So to justify, I need to make these layouts. And I need to make the Zara company, they give a requirement like this. I need to make them understand in this format, which meet the same output. So in SAP database, how the infrastructure of the Zara company's requirements match with what naming the layouts are. I should make him understand. So this is your business requirement of Zara with respect to Amazon. I have been connected to you all. In SAP, how we figure out this way to make this setup what to be layout, numbering as relationships, that is partner determination. So tomorrow I'm going to start setup of layouts, and that is tomorrow is what, Wednesday, right? Yeah. So tomorrow I'm going to do the layouts Wednesday, and Thursday I'm going to do the number ranges, and Friday I'm going to work on this layouts, the relations. And in Friday again I'll write down some scenarios. This is customizing wise. Execution wise you need to understand. So after we complete the customizing process, you will understand the execution scenarios. Execution is end user point of view. Customizing is consultant point of view. All right. So before you all come to tomorrow's class, I want everybody to watch this video. At this last 10 minutes, what I'm explaining about the business process, write down this on a paper for your reference purpose. And then I follow this return and do the first part tomorrow, second part day of tomorrow, third part upcoming day. So do you understand why the layouts, where it fits in, why the number ranges, where it fits in, why the relation, that is the determination, where it fits in. So after complete this return, I'm going to write down the front end execution again. That is, customer when coming to an outlet, how these layouts will be usable. How many ways I can use these layouts for how many business process. Then following that return, Monday I'm going to show, that is coming week Monday, I'm going to show the front end execution process of the customer creation. So coming Monday, coming Tuesday, we'll work on the outputs of the execution. So the topic what I'm starting now, Tuesday, by the time I land up with this customizing execution at every stage, it will be almost coming Tuesday if everything goes well. If any issue in the server, I need to get it fixed up. So sometimes technical issues, if simply I'll stop the session on that day without any hesitation, because I cannot beat around the bushes. I'll make the system set, then I will take a session, so that I need to get satisfied. First of all, I have done an effective session giving a complete understanding about the process to the train. So no matter one day more, because it's the public systems, lot of ifs and buts and do's and will be there. So before I start everyday session, I cross check and I start the session so that you understand everything smoothly. It's not like a trainer searching in the session about the server. It look very odd. All right. So do your groundwork. Do understand of till date happened. And yes, today it took some time to start the meeting due to recording startup and some trainees also system was not allowing to join due to some technical, I thought, suppose. So I was supporting everybody to join. Fine. Anyway, finally we could do what we supposed to do today. Is done. Go through the
Sir,
recording and
sir,
please wait. Please wait. Please wait. Anything, please wait on Skype. I'll guide you over there. All right. So do go through the recording. This last 15 minutes go through before you join the next phase, that is tomorrow's session, so that you'll understand what we are doing, where we are into. And any doubt, just ping me on Skype because I see most of the people are coming up with somebody talk about server, somebody talk about how to set up. It is not our regular subject related. Just ping me on Skype after the session. I'll guide you over there. All right. So thank you everybody and see you in tomorrow's session. Do join with the same meeting link.